Did you know ants have a complex system of division of labor? Yes, these tiny creatures have a social structure that rivals even the most sophisticated human societies. Ant colonies are a marvel of nature's architecture, where each inhabitant has a defined role, a purpose that contributes to the collective survival and prosperity of their community. Let's take a moment to appreciate the intricacy of an ant colony. Picture a bustling city, teeming with activity. Now, shrink that city down to the size of a garden patch, and you've got yourself an ant colony, but don't let its size fool you. This microcosm is a hive of productivity, efficiency, and orderliness. In the heart of this miniature metropolis, you'll find the worker ants. These tireless laborers are the backbone of the ant society, carrying out a range of tasks from foraging for food to maintaining and expanding the nest. Their dedication and industry are the very lifeblood that keeps the colony thriving. Guarding this industrious community are the soldier ants. The valiant defenders of the colony, equipped with large mandibles, they stand ready to protect their home from any threats, ensuring the safety of their fellow ants. Then there are nurse ants, the caregivers of the colony. They nurture and look after the young, ensuring the next generation of ants is healthy, well-fed, and ready to take on their roles in the colony when the time comes. And let's not forget the undertaker ants. These specialized workers have the somber task of removing the dead from the colony, preventing the spread of disease, and maintaining the overall hygiene of the nest. So you see, every ant has a role, a responsibility. They all contribute to the greater good of the colony. Their lives are a testament to the power of cooperation and communal living. So in a way, an ant colony is like a small, bustling city, with each ant playing a crucial part in keeping things running smoothly. Now, how do ants manage such a complex society? Well, it's all about communication. Ants, despite their size, have developed a sophisticated system of communication that relies on chemical signals and sound. At the heart of ant communication are pheromones, chemical signals that ants release to communicate with one another. Think of these pheromones as the ant's language, a language that is both complex and nuanced. Each type of pheromone conveys a different message, allowing ants to communicate a wide range of information. For instance, when a worker ant finds a food source, it releases a specific pheromone trail leading back to the colony. This scent trail acts like a map, guiding other ants to the food. On the other hand, if an ant perceives danger, it releases an alarm pheromone. This pheromone triggers an immediate response in other ants, alerting them to the threat and prompting them to react accordingly. But it's not just about chemical signals. Ants also use sound to communicate. By rubbing certain parts of their body together, ants can produce a variety of sounds. These sounds can signal different things, from a call for help to a declaration of war. To illustrate, when an ant queen is ready to mate, she emits a specific sound that attracts males. Similarly, when a colony is under attack, soldier ants create a distinct sound that rallies the troops and signals the need for defense. In essence, the ant communication network is a marvel of nature. It's a system that allows these tiny creatures to cooperate, coordinate, and thrive in their environment. It's a system that is nuanced, efficient, and incredibly effective. Every chirp, every scent trail, every pheromone signal is a testament to the astonishing complexity of ant society. It's a testament to their ability to work together, to adapt, and to survive in a world full of challenges. And remember, this is a system developed by creatures that are less than a centimeter long. From navigating their environment to alerting each other to danger, ants have developed a sophisticated communication system that rivals any modern technology. But what about their senses and diet? Surely they only eat sugar and follow scent trails. Well, not exactly. Ants are far more interesting than that, folks. Let's kick off with their senses. Ants have an acute sense of smell, one that would put the world's best sniffer dogs to shame. Their antennae, packed with sensory cells, can pick up on the subtlest of scents. This ability is key to their survival, helping them locate food, sense danger, and communicate with their fellow ants. Now, imagine being able to smell your way to that slice of pizza you left on the kitchen counter last night. That's essentially what ants do. They follow scent trails, laid down by their fellow ants, straight to sources of food. And here's the kicker, these scent trails can be incredibly long, sometimes stretching across entire gardens or even further. But what do ants eat? If you think it's only sugar, prepare to be surprised. Ants have a diverse diet that goes beyond the sweet stuff. Yes, they love their sugar, but they also consume proteins and oils. They're opportunistic feeders, eating whatever they can find, from plant matter to other insects. Some species even farm their own food, like the leafcutter ants, who cultivate a special type of fungus for their meals. Ants are also known to be scavengers, feasting on the remains of other animals. So that tiny, seemingly insignificant ant you see could be a carnivore, a herbivore, or even a fungivore. Talk about dietary diversity. And let's not forget their taste for oils. Some species, like the Argentine ant, are particularly attracted to oily foods. They have been observed to prefer oil over sugar, which is quite a departure from the common perception. Next time you see an ant, remember they're not just after your sugar. They have a diverse palate and a sense of smell that would put a bloodhound to shame. Have you ever wondered how ants build their intricate nests? Delving into the architectural prowess of ants, it's clear these tiny creatures possess construction skills that rival even the most advanced human engineering. Each ant colony is a marvel of miniature architecture, a testament to the ants' ability to harness the resources around them to create intricate and functional structures. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of these nests. Imagine a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers, each with a specific purpose, all interconnected in a complex network. It's a bustling city, all tucked away beneath the Earth's surface, invisible to the naked eye. The materials ants use to build their nests vary greatly. Some species, like the leafcutter ants, use plant material to construct their homes. They cut leaves into tiny pieces, then carry them back to their nest where they're used as a building material, creating a structure that's both sturdy and sustainable. Other ants, like the stigmergic ants, use soil and sand to construct their nests. They moisten the soil with their saliva, then shape it into a series of tunnels and chambers. This method allows them to create incredibly strong and stable structures, capable of withstanding external pressures. Even more astonishing is the fact that ants don't just build their homes for shelter. They also incorporate elements of climate control into their designs. By creating vents and air shafts, ants can regulate the temperature and humidity within their nests, ensuring optimal conditions for their larvae to grow. And let's not forget about the harvester ants. These ants take food storage to the next level, creating designated areas within their nests where they store food. This allows them to accumulate enough resources to survive for several years without venturing outside. Ants are not just tiny creatures scurrying around, they're master architects creating complex structures from the simplest of materials. Their nests are a testament to their ingenuity and adaptability, a reminder that sometimes the most remarkable wonders can be found in the smallest of creatures. What if I told you some ants glow in the dark, and others store food for years? Indeed, the world of ants is as fascinating as it is diverse. Let's delve into some of their unique abilities. Take the fire ant, for instance. These creatures possess a natural ability to glow in the dark. This captivating phenomenon is due to the presence of a chemical called luciferin. By emitting a glow, fire ants can communicate and navigate even in low-light conditions. Imagine a tiny, living neon sign lighting up the darkened undergrowth. It's a sight that truly illuminates the intricacy of nature's design. Equally intriguing is the harvester ant's ability to store food underground. These ants are nature's preppers, always ready for the worst. They accumulate food in their nests, sometimes enough to last for several years without needing to venture outside. It's an impressive feat that showcases not just their foresight, but also their ability to adapt and survive in challenging conditions. But perhaps the most remarkable aspect of ant life is their longevity, especially when it comes to the queens. While most insects have relatively short lifespans, ant queens are the exception. Some can live from 10 to 30 years, outliving their counterparts by a significant margin. This longevity is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. It also ensures the continuity of the colony, as the queen is responsible for laying all the eggs. Her extended lifespan allows the colony to grow and thrive, contributing to the ant's success as a species. As we explore the world of ants, we're constantly reminded of their unique abilities. From glowing in the dark to storing food for years, from their division of labor to their complex communication networks, ants continue to amaze and inspire us. Ants truly are nature's marvels. With their unique abilities and remarkable longevity, they're a testament to the wonders of evolution and the intricate beauty of the natural world.